Hi, it's Ben here at Cult Motorcycles. Just going to give you a quick video rundown of our 2017 Triumph Street Twin. So it has covered 6,984, I believe. Yep, there we go. 6,984 miles. Really nice, clean and tidy thing. So I'll walk around, point out any minor cosmetic defects, and then fire it up. So start from the top. To the initial brackets and all around the headstock, really nice and tidy. Sorry about the light today, the sun's really low, it's really harsh. Front mudguard really nice, as is all the wheel paint and the fork paint, really nice and tidy. Radiator nice and clean. Casings all really nice and tidy. The tank is perfect. No marks or damage at all. It's really nice and tidy around the yoke area and the dash. The seat and the rack are perfect. Exhaust are unmarked. I suppose the only one thing you could mark it down on is the chain sprocket, which is perfectly serviceable. Just from a cosmetic point of view, if you really wanted to, you could put a new one on. On this side it's very much the same as that. It's really nice and tidy. Wheel paint again perfect. Shocks nice and tidy, as is the swing arm. Tiny bit of fairing to the metal there, sort of something or nothing. Just a bit of age. Sorry, the sun glare's coming in now. The casings on this side, try and get a better angle. Casings on this side, all really nice and clean again. Calipers and discs are all good. Fork paint on this side again is pretty much perfect. Nice and tidy inside there. Give it any beans because it is stone cold. So there you have it. It's got a great service history. All the details have been written up in the advert. If you've got any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.